Hello friends, I'm here with another wonderful video tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be giving you an access to Canvas Pro, whereby you have access to all the Canvas Pro templates. And I will show you how you can download either pictures, either royal pictures, either videos in iStock video, in iStock websites, iStock photo. You can download anything here, and same thing applicable to Canvas. You can download anything here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, because on this channel I will be giving you back to back, I will be giving you hot tutorial, and I'll be showing you a lot of tricks here and a lot of tips here. So guys, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So here, once you click the link in the description, you will have access to this Canvas Pro Unlimited. Let's try and see what I'm talking about. So let's click on this video. We see that you have access to everything. Now you can see that there is nothing like restriction here. Everything here is free. So for instance, let's do this. You can see that it is free. You can use it for anything you want. You can use the video for anything you want. Either you are a graphics designer, you are a web developer, or web developer or web designer. You can come here to design your banner. If you don't know how to use Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or any other stuffs, or Illustrator, you can come here to just pick a template here, change one or two things there, and then you can use it for your web banners. You can use it for your web image. Then here you can download their video also. Then here also you can download picture, you can download video. For instance, if you want to download any video on iStock here, let's just search for one video to download. Let's just type funny video. So here, if you want to download funny video here, you can just search for this. Let's just download this picture. If we download it here, you will see that there will be watermark, but we don't need that. So all we have to do now is to copy this name. We copy this name, then we go back to our canvas. So we click on elements, then we paste it here to search for the video. You search for the video, then you click on this video. You will see all different videos. This is the video that we are looking for. This is the video. Let's delete the one at the background. So this is the video. You can see the video now. Let me enlarge it. So this is the video. If you notice, there is no watermark on this video and everything is cool. You can see how clean the video is. So guys, this is just the trick, simple trick to download anything on iStock photo on their websites, and you have access to all the elements, all the templates in Canvas. Guys, stay tuned for more video. Please subscribe to this channel, give a comment, like, share. I will always come up with another wonderful video. Stay tuned to look for another beautiful video, guys.